In this video, we will present packages of Python that will be used for this course. Pandas is a Python package providing fast, flexible, and expressive data structures. It aims to be the fundamental high-level building blocks for doing practical, real-world data analysis. For example, DataFrame and Series from Pandas are excellent data structures to store table and time series data. With DataFrame, we can easily pre-process data, for example, handling missing value, computing pairwise correlation. We will heavily use DataFrame in this course. NumPy is a fundamental package for numerical computing of array and matrix. It is also a very convenient tool for generating random numbers, which could be helpful if we want to shuffle data or generate a data set with normal distribution. Matplotlib is a plotting package which produces high-quality figures with all kinds of customization. Statsmodels is a powerful library for statisticians. It contains modules for regression and time series analysis. In this course, we will use Statsmodels to obtain multiple linear regression models.